Hey guys, so I wanted to come on and show y'all how I put on my tie-on ponytail in real time. Here's the ponytail here that I made. So both sides, there's tracks on both sides. The hair is still a little damp. So I had my hair wrapped. My hair is still a little damp, but I've had it wrapped for about 10 minutes. And I always oil, well not always, but I try to remember to oil my ends before I wrap it in a bun. So put the oil on my ends and then try to wrap your bun as tight as possible. All right. Now, literally just slap it on, tie it. And I tie mine's about 2 times just to make sure it's secure. But you don't have to. Now, what I do is I like to take some of the hair right here. But another thing that's cute is if you took like some braiding hair and wrapped like a braid around. But I'm just going to take some of the hair and just wrap it around that track. Bobby pin it. And that's it. You can kind of like just like mold it to however form you want. Like if you want a high like genie kind of situation, you can put a bobby pin to the back of your bun and rock it up high like that. I'm just gonna do mine's kind of natural today. Like that. And then like I said, the ponytail right now is a little bit damp. So once it dries, I'm gonna poof it up a little bit because I like it big. And I don't have any product in it right now. Sometimes if I want it, well, I usually don't want mine defined, but if I did want it defined, I would just use some conditioner in it. But yeah, nothing in it but some water. Poof it up once it's dry. And that's it.